Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to tell you the 10 most important safety notes around the airbag system repair. In vehicles equipped with supplemental safety restraint systems, failure to follow correct procedures will lead to unexpected airbag deployment and personal injury. The SRS system will not function properly when it is needed. You must follow all of these safety precautions carefully and completely, otherwise, the airbags or pretensioners may deploy unintentionally or you may experience serious personal injury. Let's start. Number 1. Disconnect the battery negative cable for more than 3 minutes before the operation on the airbag system. If you are undergoing maintenance operations around SRS components or on the circuits of them, you should shut down the SRS system. This is the most important safety note. You have to follow this guideline strictly to avoid unexpected airbag deployment. In order to have full access to the video, enroll in the most complete and advanced airbag module repair training course offered by the ARMHEX Center. Don't miss this opportunity and hit the market and develop your business now, otherwise, your competitors will do that. All information, methods, and secrets of airbag module repair are included in this course. We offer a 1-month money return guarantee, free technical support, and a traceable certificate of completion.